Hey everyone, John Mayer just did this thing where he like put his like an advertisement for his new album on the side of like a truck. Katy Perry also did this for Prism, her album. I don't know if I forget what the name of his new album is, but he did it too. So yeah, if you want to find more information about that, you can go like search for it online. This video is basically just like a trick to see if I can get people to click the headline and just see if that works. So I'm just gonna let this video run for a little while longer so that it tricks people even more, and we'll see. So I'm gonna go back. I'll see ya. Let's see.